children, this week in EVS, I will be explaining you chapter 5, that is Be Safe. So open your EVS book to page 26. Children, there are a lot of work we do, right? Be it in our school or in our home or in the road, there are a lot of things we do, and our most favorite thing is to play. So children, we need to be very careful while we play or do something. Why? To be safe and healthy. We should always follow some safety rules so that we are not get injured or to avoid any kind of accidents. So in this chapter you will learn the safety rules that you must follow to be safe and healthy. So safety habits keep us safe from accidents at home, school or the park. We must follow these safety rules to be safe. So children, let us see what are the safety rules that one should follow to be safe. Never try to light a matchstick. So children, you are a small kid, right? So you should never light a matchstick on your own. If you want to light up a matchstick, you can ask your parents or any elderly people to help you to light up a matchstick. Next, never set off a firecracker holding in hand. See the boy, what he is doing? He is holding the firecracker and he is burning it, which we should never do. Otherwise, we may burn our hand and this will injure us very badly. So we should never fire a firecracker or burn a firecracker holding in our hand. Next is never play with blades, knives or other sharp edged objects. Use them only in the presence of elders. Children, as blades, knives are very sharp, so you can ask your elders to help you out if you need a blade or a knife, because as these are very sharp, you may cut your hands. Next is never play with electric wires or socket. So we should never play with electric wires or socket. Why? Because we may catch the current or we may catch the electric shock if we try to play with the electric wires or socket. Next, never rush down the stairs. Come down with steady steps. So we should never run in the stairs. So we should always be taking steady step while going up or coming down the stairs. Next is always see the visitor through the hole before you open the door. So children, whenever you are hearing someone is calling you, or whenever you hear the calling bell, what you have to do first? You have to check using the eye hole that is there in the door. You first check who is it, who is knocking the door. Then if you think that this person or that person is known to you, then only you open the door. Otherwise, don't open the door if you see a stranger. You can call your parents to open the door. But if someone knocks at the door or if someone knocks at the door, first check through the hole, and then if you think that you know that person, then you may open the door. Next is never push anyone on the stairs. So you're not supposed to push anyone on the stairs. Otherwise, what will happen? That person will fall down and will get injured. Never jump or get down from the bus before it stops completely. So children, if you want to come down or get down from a bus, first let the bus stop completely. Then you can get down from the bus. Or else if you jump from a running bus, what will happen? You will get injured. Next is never play with animals other than your pet. Never tease an animal. It may bite or scratch you. So children, you should never play with any other animal except your pet animal. And you should never tease anyone. You should never tease any person, or you should never tease any animal. Otherwise, what will happen? If you tease any animal on the road, it may bite you or scratch you. Now turn the page to 28. Here you will learn about first aid. So, on getting hurt. If you get hurt at home, tell your elders immediately. If you get hurt at school, tell your teachers. If any other person gets hurt, call your elders immediately. So children, wherever you are and you get hurt, what will you do? You will immediately call out your elders. If you are in school, you will call the teachers for help. If you are at home, then you will be calling your parents or any other elders immediately. And if you see a person gets hurt or a person is injured, you will be calling your elders immediately to help that person. And now, what is a first aid? The immediate treatment given to an injured person before proper medical aid is called first aid. So a first aid is the immediate or the instant treatment given to an injured person before taking the person to the hospital or to a doctor. So this is called first aid. First aid means immediate help or immediate treatment or instant treatment given to the injured person. Now children, this is the first aid box, and a first aid box contains injection, capsule, band-aid, Dettol, tablets, thermometer, scissors, cotton, medicine and antiseptic cream. So when a person is hurt or gets injured, we treat that person with these things immediately so that the person feels relief for the time being. So I hope all have understood the chapter very well, and I also hope that you will also follow these safety rules to be safe and healthy. So children, read the chapter thoroughly and learn the hard spellings. Thank you.